as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this game assets over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll just copy this once again over here slightly. I'll just place it up. I'll just make a copy of it. So let's duplicate it. So I'll make multiple copies of it. Select this. Select this. Press shift and drag it. So I'll just drag it down over here. So once you are done with this, let's select this and I'll make a copy of it. Slightly just push it inside, shuffle it a bit over here. Again I'll select this, make a copy of it. So now I'll just make, now let's take a box over here, or else I can just take a cylinder. I'll just take a cylinder over here. So I'll just push it up. You can slightly reduce its sides over here as required, or else I'll go into this. I'll take a line. Let's take a line. I'll take a line in this way. I'll off this, drag it in this way. Shuffle it, and again I'll push it over here, and I'll just close this shape. So once you are done, I'll go into this and I'll take a modifier. So before that, what I'll do is I'll go to the top view. Let's select the vertices, push it out, drag it over here in this way. So let's go into the modifier and take a extrude modifier. I'll drag it up. So I'll just push it up till here. Now what I can do over here is like we can create some details over here. So if you see this, I'll go over here, I'll take a line. So if you want, I can convert to editable poly. Let's select the edges. Let's give some connect. I'll give some connect over here. I'll drag it down. So I'll just drag it. So select this polygons and extrude it by local normal. So I'll just shuffle it out and I'll push it down in this way. So I can, again I'll undo this, slightly extrude it, and let's push it down. I'll just save the file once again. So let's go into this. Let's take a line. So how I can create this shape? So this shape can be created. So I'll just go over here, I'll push this up, I'll drag it over here, push it out, drag it in this way, and I'll close the shape. So I'll just place it in this way. So select the vertices and I'll go into this. Let's give a bit of fillet to it. So I'll just assign a fillet, and once this is assigned, again go over here, slightly just place it over here and extrude it. So I'll just give some extrusion, place it in this way. So again I'll select the vertices and give a bit of fillet to it. So select the vertices, we can just push it a bit inside, slightly reduce its thickness over here. So I'll just save the file once. I'll go into this, I'll take a cylinder, I'll activate this auto grid and I'll slightly push it out, reduce the height segments and shuffle it a bit inside. So select this, reduce its thickness. Let's make a copy of it. So I can slightly select this, push it in this way, shuffle it over here. So let's just drag it. So I'll select this, slightly increase its thickness, convert to poly, select the polygons, slightly I'll give a bit of inset, slight extrusion, click OK. So I'll select this whole three of it and let's make a copy of it. So I can just make a copy. So what I'll do, I'll just push it more back over here. So I'll just go over here, I'll slightly just push this a bit at one side. So let's again take a line, I'll off this, select this, so I'll go over here, so select the vertices, we can just push this a bit inside, drag this up slightly, I'll drag it over here, push it up, so I'll just smooth it as required. Enable in viewport, I'll slightly increase its thickness, select this, I can just drag it inside, right click, I'll just put one refine over here and I'll push it inside. So I'll just save the file once again over here. Alright. So I can just create some more details if needed. So I'll just I won't put insert, I'll put some segments if needed. So I can just use a cut over here. Let's use a cut and we can just connect it wherever it is required. So I can just drag it and end it over here. So select the vertices and scale it and isolate it. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.